Hey there, boat enthusiasts! Are you familiar with boat insurance? In this video, we will be breaking down some of the most widely spread myths and misconceptions about boat insurance that you might have heard. Boat insurance is crucial to protect your investment, but there's often a lot of confusion surrounding it. Let's dive in and separate fact from fiction. Myth number 1: I don't need boat insurance, I have homeowners insurance. It's a common misconception that homeowners insurance covers your boat, but unfortunately, that's not the case. Homeowners insurance generally provides limited coverage for small boats with a small engine or no engine at all. However, larger boats, yachts, and personal watercraft are not typically covered under homeowners insurance. It's crucial to have boat insurance in order to protect your watercraft against potential risks such as theft, accidents, or natural disasters. Don't fall for this myth, make sure your boat has its own dedicated insurance policy. Myth number 2: boat insurance is too expensive, I can't afford it. Many people think boat insurance comes with a hefty price tag, but that's not always the case. H3. While the cost of boat insurance varies depending on factors such as the value of your boat, its age, and the coverage you choose, it's important to remember that insurance provides financial protection in case of accidents, damages, or liabilities. Think of boat insurance as an investment in your peace of mind. With the right coverage, you can be confident that you're protected from unexpected expenses. Don't let the fear of cost keep you from getting the coverage you need. Myth number 3: I only need boat insurance when I'm on the water. It may seem logical to think that you only need boat insurance while you're actually out on the water, but this myth can leave you unprotected. H3. Boat insurance doesn't just cover you during the time you spend sailing. It includes coverage for your boat while it's stored, being towed, or even during maintenance and repairs. Additionally, incidents can occur even when your boat is off water, such as theft or damage while in storage. By having boat insurance year-round, you ensure comprehensive protection for your vessel. Myth number 4: I borrowed my friend's boat, so I don't need boat insurance. Borrowing a friend's boat seems like a hassle-free way to enjoy some time on the water, but it's essential not to neglect insurance. While some boat insurance policies may offer limited coverage for occasional use of a borrowed boat, it's best not to rely solely on this. If you frequently borrow or rent boats, it's advisable to consider getting a separate boat insurance policy. Doing so will provide you with comprehensive coverage and protect both you and your friend from potential liability in case of an accident. Myth number 5: boat insurance covers all personal items on my boat. Personal belongings can rack up a significant cost, so it's important to clarify what boat insurance covers in terms of personal property. While boat insurance usually covers certain personal items on board, there are limits and exclusions. It's essential to review your policy to understand what is covered and consider additional insurance for valuable items like fishing gear, electronics, or water sports equipment. By having a clear understanding of your coverage, you can ensure that you protect your personal property adequately. Myth number 6: I'm an experienced boater, I don't need boat insurance. Whether you're a seasoned boater or a novice, boat insurance is still a must-have. H3. Accidents can happen to even the most experienced boaters, and being properly insured will provide you with coverage in unforeseen situations. No matter how skilled you are on the water, there are external factors beyond your control, such as unpredictable weather, equipment failures, or collisions with other boaters. By having boat insurance, you can navigate the waters with confidence, knowing that you're protected against potential risks. Myth number 7: I live in a state where boat insurance is not required, so I don't need it. While some states may not require boat insurance, it's not a good idea to forego coverage. Just because boat insurance may not be legally required in your state doesn't mean you shouldn't have it. Accidents and damages can still occur, and being uninsured could lead to significant financial hardships if you're found responsible for an incident. Additionally, marinas and lenders often require boat owners to carry insurance. It's advisable to protect yourself and your investment by obtaining boat insurance regardless of local regulations. Myth number 8: I don't need boat insurance because I have a warranty. While warranties provide coverage for manufacturing defects, they usually don't protect against other risks or damages. Boat warranties primarily cover repairs or replacements due to defects in materials or workmanship. They typically don't extend to incidents like accidents, theft, or damage caused by natural disasters. Boat insurance goes beyond what a warranty offers and provides comprehensive protection for a wide range of risks. Don't assume your warranty is enough, make sure you have proper boat insurance to safeguard your vessel. Myth number 9: I don't need boat insurance because I'm a safe boater. While being a safe boater is commendable, it doesn't exempt you from potential accidents or damages caused by others. Even the most responsible and cautious boaters can fall victim to situations beyond their control. Other boaters, natural disasters, or unforeseen circumstances can still put your boat at risk, no matter how careful you are. Boat insurance provides necessary protection and ensures that you're not left financially responsible for damages caused by others. Be a safe boater, but also be a smart boater with proper insurance coverage. Myth number 10, boat insurance is a hassle, I'll figure it out later. Delaying boat insurance can lead to complications and leave you vulnerable to significant financial risks. While obtaining boat insurance may seem like a hassle, it's essential to prioritize it. Accidents can occur at any time, and waiting until something happens could be a costly mistake. Boat insurance provides peace of mind and ensures that you're protected from potential liabilities, damages, or theft. Don't postpone it any longer, take the necessary steps to secure proper boat insurance today. That's a wrap on our boat insurance myth-busting adventure. We hope this video has cleared up some of the common misconceptions about boat insurance and helped you understand the importance of protecting your watercraft. Remember, boat insurance is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Like and share this video with your fellow boaters to spread the word and debunk these myths for good. Stay safe on the water, and until next time, happy boating.